FreeWorld has a new compact monitor with a built-in battery. Quite interesting, actually. Let's hear more about it. Hi guys, I'm Johnny from CineD, and I'm here with Ting from FreeWorld. Ting, how are you?
I'm good. It's very honored to be here to see the CineD again and introduce our latest product to the audience.
Thank you very much. Guys, I don't know how much you know about FreeWorld, but I want, first of all, to hear from Ting a little bit about the company before we dive into talking. There's a very nice portable monitor from the company, but first, a little bit. What is the company known for and what do you do?
We have two brands, FEELWORLD and CineD. FEELWORLD is mainly about the on-camera monitor and live streaming devices, and CineD is more about the broadcast monitor. We have our own factory from R&D to manufacturing to sales, so we can control the entire process to respond to directly responsive our creators' needs to solve their real problem to inspire their creativity.
Okay, so you said you have your own factory. Where is the factory? In which part of China?
It is in the south of China in Fujian province.
And how many people are working in the factory?
Around 400 people.
Okay, you see, even I learned something new. And both companies are actually at the same headquarter. You know what I mean? Like they're located in the same place, basically. You manufacture the things for FreeWorld and for CineD at the same place?
Yes, it is in the same place, in the same factory.
Okay, good. So before we move on, anything else you want to say about the philosophy behind the products before we talk about this nice monitor?
Yes, our mission is to empower every creator from entry-level creators to professional filmmakers, even cinematographers, to inspire their creativity. Yes.
Okay, great. And now we finally can concentrate about the new monitor. So, you know, there are many monitors in the market, but this one is rather unique. You want to tell me what is the unique selling point? And just before we start, of course, the model number, it's always very, what's the model number? I'm without glasses.
This is FEELWORLD P6XL. It is kind of special because it is our first monitor with built-in battery, and we call it the power monitor. We call it pocket monitor with powerhouse, and it is designed to solve the pain points of weight, size, and flexibilities that creators face.
Okay, so first of all, guys, I can confirm that it's really a pocket monitor. It can literally go to your pocket. The decision to make a built-in battery is very unique because usually those things can be powered externally. Why did you make this decision to put the battery inside?
Because we release lots of feedback like our monitor, we need to install a heavy battery, what not only add bulk but also affect the monitoring angles, like some low angle monitoring. You will limited by the battery when you try to move. Yes, and.
It's so much fun. You talking, I can simulate. Okay.
And on the other hand, for some small camera like Sony ZV-E10, the Fujifilm X-S20, and or Sony or Canon R10, they are compact camera. But if you use a monitor with a heavy battery, it will make it very unbalanced. So this one, when you use this one with this compact camera, it will make the whole camera setup is very compact and balanced.
Okay.
So it will not make it simple, but also professional.
So before we dive into the specification, Ting, I'll ask you, can you hold the monitor for the microphone for a second?
Yes.
Okay, so for example, this is a very small Canon camera, and I just want to demonstrate what Ting meant. This thing here, if you put, it's very, very easy, very lightweight, and I think it's a nice combination when you have mirrorless cameras to use this monitor. Thank you. You actually are great. You want to ask me some questions?
How do you feel about this?
Yeah, no. Okay, so let's move on. When you use the built-in battery, it will hold on for how long?
Uh, it work 2 hours for each charging in full brightness.
And since I see a USB-C connector here, that means I can also power it externally or charge it.
Yes, you can. We have the optional accessory, so you can install your bank charger, or if your V-mount battery have the Type C interface, you can also connect with your powered by the V-mount battery directly.
Okay, so let's talk about specifications. First of all, about the size of the monitor. What's the size?
It is 6 inch.
6 inch. And then nits?
The nits is 1,200 nits brightness, and we also included the sunshade hood in the standard accessories.
Next to the USB-C, what other connectors do you have here?
We have another USB-C. We have two USB-C actually in the monitor. One is for charging, and another one is for 3D LUT input and our new function in this monitor is called sharp screenshot and image overlay. It is known as Onion Skin.
Okay, and I can also see a full-size HDMI
Yes.
input only.
Yeah, it is support the HDMI input, but if people need the HDMI output, we can also upgrade it in the future if it is a new requirement.
Okay. Okay, so when it comes to the menu, is it a full menu that you have here? You can control picking, you have some false colors. What type of functionalities you have in the menu in order to help a video creator?
For sure, this monitor is also equipped with quite a lot of professional tools that filmmakers rely on, like false color, waveforms, focus peaking, and anamorphic mode that you can customize the anamorphic lens and so that the distortion its image.
So I can squeeze here.
Yeah. You can discrease here.
Great. And I can import LUTs. That's what you
You
said.
can input that.
Great. And all of this little thing, for how much are you going to sell it and when it's going to be available?
It is $199.99.
$200. Okay. And when is when is going to be available?
It is available now.
Right now. Good. I think one more thing that I wanted to say, that it's a full HD monitor. It's not a 4K. It doesn't mean that it's less good. It just, when you work with the monitor, you should be aware it's a full K monitor. Why did you decide to full 4K, guys? That's the morning here. Full HD monitor. Why did you decide to go for full HD and not 4K?
Because the size, the 6 inch, it is 6 inch size. So actually, most of our on-camera monitor is HD resolution, but for the broadcast monitor, we have the 4K resolution because the 6 inch size will not require such 4K screen. But if there is something 4K requirement, we can also make it.
Can you add the resolution via firmware update? I'm joking. No, it's okay. I'm just... Okay, good. Think anything else, because it looks very nice. It weighs almost nothing. The built-in battery, I know that there's always a debate, is it good or less good? I personally like the idea because also there's less risk of forgetting something behind. That means that when you need it, it will work, and 2 hours powering time sounds good. Actually, very nice. Well done. Anything else that you want to add about this, or we covered everything?
I think this one it has different kinds of application, like for compact camera setup I mentioned before, and it is also very suitable for documentary and travel videographers because if they are require the less, if they care grams in their camera bag, but still want to pursue the professional monitoring tools. And also for ACs or DPs, if they want the portable monitor to check their focus, framing, and exposure on set, it is a very good option.
Thank you very much for informing our audience about this little new monitor. Good, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.